Dun, 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 dun. So we grew a bunch of loofahs, and now we got to find something to do with them all. So here we go. And we're going to use them for handy dandy soap. All right, step one.
The soap.
The soap. All right, we got this handy dandy, whatever that
Soap
word
base.
is. Soap base from goat milk. Moisturizing, melt, and pour soap base for soap making.
Woo!
Soap base.
You have to cut it.
Cut it. All right, how many cubes do we need for this project?
You'll need almost the whole thing.
For just this?
For 6 of them.
For 6 of them with the little bees on them. So the whole thing and cut it into cubes and put it in there. Should probably be using like a cutting board or something. I got this.
You need them in cubes.
I'm professional. Now what?
Put them in.
Put them in the jar. Put them in the jar. Dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun,
Yeah, we're using all of them.
I thought that's what you were supposed to do. Good.
Then
Better be fine. What's
a
this?
few drops of vitamin E oil.
Oh.
Good for your skin.
1, 2, 3,
Do 6.
4, 5, 6 drops of vitamin E oil, because what she just said.
Then we need coconut oil.
Coconut oil.
Ooh.
Like a dollop. Oh, get in there, girl. How much? However much that is. And a little dash more, because we can. All right, now what?
And then we need to boil it.
Boil it.
Melt it.
Oh, melting time, melting time. So I got this new tripod with a fancy handle on it. So just put it in here and use it like a double boiler then.
Yeah.
Fair enough. That's going to overflow.
Maybe.
Hmm?
Is it?
Yeah, it is. I'm going to let it do it just to prove to you that it will. Oh, you're lucky. Crank her on up to 10 and let her rip, tater chip. And while we're waiting for our soap base to boil, I'm going to take this, which we're going to cut the end off, just because I don't like it. Like so. Like that. And then we're going to cut them at about 1 inch, which is about from the tip of my finger to my first knuckle. A little thicker than I wanted. That's all right. We're going to go a little bit smaller. Like so. Oh yeah, that looks better. Perfect. Like so. So this one is a little too tall. Should I probably cut that or get a different, make a different one? It's like with it sticking out, I don't think it's going to stay in the mold. Well, there's you 2 more that you can have. That is what we end up with. Now you're in it. Yeah. 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 Still clumpy. Once it's almost melted, stir it a little bit. Oh, y'all. Yeah, stir it again. Do it. Stir it. Oh, you see that clump? That means you gotta keep on keeping on. Oh, yeah. I like being the commentary for your videos more than I like doing my own videos. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Passed the wife test. She checked it out. I probably shouldn't just grab that, should I?
No.
That's not smart. This thing, yeah, just dump it and go. Did we put the Scentsy stuff in it already?
Set it out for a minute before you do it. It needs to cool. before you add your scent to it.
Ain't nobody wants me to add my scent to it. It'll stink. I done worked all day. Oh yeah. On a completely unrelated note, it is puffball mushroom season. Oh yeah. So after thoroughly heating and getting all the clumps out, you got to let it sit and cool before you add your smell good stuff. All right. So she said we're to the next point. This is orange strawberry melon. And we're supposed to put 30 drops of this in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Oh yeah, didn't know I could count that high. Here we go. Stir it up. Give it the old power stir. Ruh-roh. So after stirring thoroughly, you want to, is this still super hot? It's still super hot. Put back on your glove of justice. Like, how does one grab this? Oh, wow. I'm going to drop it. It's going to be terrible. And we're just going to pour it real slow. That way it completely soaks all the way through. Like so. Whoop. I don't think this is going to make all 6 of these. Too much?
Right there.
Right there?
Yeah.
Oh. Alright, so you don't completely fill them. Fair enough. Right there.
Mm-hmm.
It smells really delicious. I mean, that looks good. And ta-da! Once they're set, the little bee is awesome. Got a little loofah out the bottom. Should trim those down a little bit more to fit in the mold better. When using these, they're about like a freaking Brillo pad. They're a little rough. We're going to have to do something to soften up these loofahs, but overall, awesome.